My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the new adware that is now attacking many Mac computers. This adware is called PowerSet. PowerSet is a special adware that is from the AdLoad adware family. Once installed, this adware starts displaying the great portion of advertisements that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. And another peculiarity of this adware is that it only attacks Mac computers right now. The trouble with this adware type application is that it is also spread through misleading and fake software or browser update alerts. So in many cases people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if you have noticed this adware to be the part of your Mac computer, and if you permanently see these ads not related to the sites that you visit, if these ads keep attacking your screen periodically, you should definitely get rid of this adware. Even if you don't see any ads, but still this adware is in your Mac computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as you can. So go to your Finder, check your applications. If you find this adware called PowerSet, right-click on it and then move it to the trash. Of course, if you see any other suspicious applications here, don't hesitate to get rid of them. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.